Creating a backstory for your character is a vital part of your preparation as an actor. It goes beyond researching the project. It requires a creative imagination to develop the history of your character and create their unique personality traits, plus deciding your character's motivation in every moment that you play them. You have to go deeper in the character's world. I mean, seriously build out your character until they are so complete you are able to start thinking like them. You should research any possible historical context. You should definitely be analyzing your character's relationships and creating past memories, if necessary, as well as being mindful of your character's goals in every single scene. It sounds like a ton of work, I know, but you will see that when you take the time and put the effort into doing this intense kind of character work, it can help you easily find that needed and valuable empathy. This empathy is essential to have in order to truthfully play your character and essentially become them seamlessly. One way, as an actor, you can start to find empathy for your character is by simply identifying with the shared experiences and emotions you have in common with them. By understanding your character's struggles, you can connect to your own emotions and experiences. Doing this can fast-track and bring a deeper level of authenticity to your performance because you can honestly relate. Creating a backstory for your character can typically involve the following activities. Number 1, which is super important and often overlooked, is actually reading the script. You should read the script from cover to cover several times over. Here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that each time you read the script, you are actively memorizing as well? That's right, folks. You are cementing the content of each scene in your mind. Now, to your surprise, all it takes is thinking of what makes sense for your character to say or do. I promise you will be shocked when the dialogue comes pouring out of you. FYI. This is how actors such as Meryl Streep can memorize their roles by simply reading the script around 5 times. Next, you should study your character's relationships. Examine the character's relationships with the other characters in the story. This can include researching or creating your character's family dynamics and their friendships, and especially any intimate romantic relationships. Be sure to note or imagine any conflicts or tensions that may exist. Now play out your character's experiences in your mind. Analyze or dream up what your character has been through. Include both the positive and negative events that have shaped who they are. Reflect on their education or career, their home life, and any other life-changing, notable events that made a lasting impact. Create a character bio. Actors should create a character biography that includes your character's full name, their current age and occupation. Describe their physical characteristics and any other relevant information that paints a complete picture of what makes them who they are. This should lead you to thinking about their backstory and what goals or aspirations they have in life. You can also go further by filling out their world by answering what their likes and dislikes are and why. Practice and rehearse. Actors should practice and rehearse with their character's backstory and motivation in mind. This will help them to bring the character to life on stage or screen. Adjust and tweak as needed. Actors should be open to adjusting and tweaking their character's backstory as needed during the rehearsal process. New insights may come through the work, and it's important for the actor to be flexible and adaptable. An extra step may be doing some historical research. If the script is a period piece, that means it takes place in a specific historical time period. You should research the social, political, and cultural aspects of that time period, as well as any historical events that may have influenced your character. Questions to ask include: what was the political climate like during this time period? What were the major social issues? What were the cultural norms and values, and how do they differ from what we commonly think today? All of this will lead to your goal of creating empathy for your character. Once the research is done and your character's backstory is established, you should now try to empathize with the character. Start by trying to put yourself in their shoes and understanding their thoughts and feelings. Questions to ask include: what is your character's emotional state in each moment of the script? How do they react to different situations? How do they feel about themselves and the world around them given their life experiences? Overall, creating a backstory for a character is an essential step in the actor's preparation process, as it helps them understand the character's motivations, emotions, and behaviors, and allows them to bring a deeper level of authenticity to their performance.
Subscribe to Child Actor 101 to learn more tips and acting advice geared specifically for parents and child actors pursuing a professional career in theater, television, and film.